Here's how to reduce iPhone photo size without losing quality. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Select the photo you want to reduce in size. If you tap on the info icon right in the bottom center, you'll see all the details about the photo, including its size. Now tap on the share icon in the bottom left corner. Scroll down through the menu options and tap on Save to Files. Here, change the location from iCloud to On My iPhone, and then tap on Save from the top. Now, exit the Photos app and open the Files app on your iPhone. Look for the image you just saved and press and hold the photo file. A menu will appear on the screen. Scroll through the menu and expand Quick Actions. Then tap on Convert Image from the submenu. Now you need to choose a file format between JPEG, PNG, and HEIF. Select JPEG format as it usually gives smaller file sizes. Next, choose one of the image size options between small, medium, large, or original size. Let's go with small as it usually means smaller file size. A new size compressed image will appear. Compare the new file size with the original one. The photo size can drop from megabytes to kilobytes. Open both images. Smaller images may lose some quality. If you want better quality with small file size, then use either medium or large image size. And that's it.